Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp22 Exit Chapter 4 HOE to Store. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft Access, all Microsoft PowerPoint and all Microsoft Word. If you need help in any course, you can contact me. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, all assignments project, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. So moving on, question number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel chapter 4 HUE to store. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from my library Pearson dashboard portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. So I am going to opening my Excel workbook. I have also downloaded from my library Pearson dashboard portal. So click on enable editing button. So moving on, question number 2. In question number 2, you would like to set page break on the June total worksheet, allow to document to print without splitting transaction. Modify the existing page break, ensure that 613 and 624 transactions date print on the same pages. Okay, modify the existing page breaks to ensure 613 and 624 transaction dates on the same pages. Go to the view tab. In the workbook view, click on page break preview button. Okay, first is 613 and 624 print on the same pages. Okay, here is 624. We go to the page layout tab. In the breaks button, click on insert page break. This is the insert page breaks. Okay, so moving on, question number 3. In question number 3, create a copy of the June total worksheet and name June's name it first June first total. We will right click on June's total worksheet, click on move or copy, click on this create a copy checkbox, click on OK button. So I have created a copy of June total worksheet. Now name it June first total. We will rename this sheet as June's first total. Okay, right click on this worksheet, click on rename button, then rename as a June first total. So the next question, return the June total worksheet when printed. You would like to the title to be preserved on the June total worksheet. Set the title in row 5 and column A to be to repeat when printed. Additionally, set the print order to print over the down. Return the June total worksheet. Click on June total worksheet and go to the view tab and click on normal view. So when printed, you would like to title to preserved on the June total worksheet. Set the title in row 5 and column A to be to repeat when printed. Go to the page layout tab, go to page setup dialog box and go to sheets, row to repeat a column A, row to repeat a top row A and column A and B. So we will click on OK button. This is good. Additionally, set the printer to print over the down. Again, open page setup dialog box. Go to sheets and click on over the down checkbox. Click on Okay. So moving on, question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment so far. Question number 5. You would like to convert the data set to a table in the regression, structure, reflection, and table style. Convert the range A5 to K110 to a table. Be sure to include column labels. Name the table totals and apply the table style light yellow table style 19. First, we will convert the range A5 to K1010 to our table. We will select this range and go to the Insert tab. Go to the Insert tab in the Tables group. Click on Table button. This data will be converted into a table. So, be sure to include column label. Name the table totals. Okay, name the tables totals. We will assign the name of table. Go to the Table Design tab in the Properties group. Click on Table Name box and we will assign the name of table to totals. Apply the table style yellow table style 19. Okay, apply the table style yellow 19. Go to the table style light. Okay, here is the light yellow table style 19. We will apply this style on this table. Okay. Now moving on next question. Question number 6. You don't need the sales first column to reduce the size of the data set. You will remove the column. Delete the sales first column from the table. Remove the sales first column from the table. We will select sales first column and go to the home tab. In the style group, format as table. Sorry, from 1 second. Go to cells and click on format button. First, we will select sales first column. Right click on this and simply delete column from the table. Okay, now we will move on question number 7. In question number 7, you need to document the rebate information and total purchase price. To do so, you will add 2 new columns to the data. Type rebate in column K5 and OID in cell L5. Note, please ensure that there is no spaces after the content entered in cell K5. L5, set the width of column ij to autofit. First, we will type rebate in cell K5. Click on cell K5. We will type rebate. Okay. And OID in cell L5. We will click on cell L5 and we will type OID. Okay. Set the width of column I to J to autofit. We will select column I to J and go to the home tab in the editing group. Click on go to the cells group. Click on format button and click on autofit column width. Okay. So moving on question number 8. In question number 8, you notice you are missing record 2024-0868 and 2024-0105. You will manually add to record back to the table. Insert a row to the table at row 73 and row 112. Enter the following record. For row 73, we will insert a row 73. Right click on row 73, click on insert button. New row will be inserted and as row 73. We will enter a record which is given in the question. 6/22/2024. Okay, so the next record Shaw. So other next is collectibles. Collectible Shaw. So the other next is collectibles. Collectibles. Okay. So next other 1014. 1014. So the other next record is metal. Okay. So the other is store credit. Store credit. Copy and paste here simply. So the other next is standard. So the next one is 4 and $16.19. So row, so you can see I have done 60% of this assignment in my video. If you need help in this complete assignment and if you want to do for this complete my library Pearson course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp or email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all complete my library course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, and other courses like my lab Java, my lab accounting, my lab economics, my lab management, C++, medical courses, math courses, calculus courses, and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.